You are a passenger on a vehicle you cannot steer. You cannot stop it, and you do not know its final destination. That vehicle is planet Earth. Right now, it's hurtling you through the galaxy at over 800,000 kilometers per hour. You are not sitting still. You are riding an unstoppable cosmic machine through the darkness. And the most terrifying part is, this is not even close to your top speed. That feeling of stillness is a profound illusion. Let's break it down, layer by terrifying layer. Right now, the planet beneath you is spinning on its axis. Your speed from this rotation alone is supersonic, over 1,600 kilometers per hour. At the same time, the Earth is hurtling through space in its vast orbit around the Sun. Its speed on this journey is a blistering 30 kilometers every single second. We are shielded from this immense velocity by the grace of gravity and inertia. But what would happen if that graceful dance suddenly stopped? If the Earth were to halt its orbit, the consequences would be apocalyptic. Everything on its surface not bolted to the bedrock would be instantly scoured clean. Oceans would rise from their beds in mile-high tsunamis. Mountains would crumble into dust. And cities would be flung into the darkness by their own incomprehensible momentum. The planet itself, freed from its gravitational anchor, would be shot like a cannonball out of the solar system. The escape velocity from our Sun is a mere 17 kilometers per second. Earth's orbital speed is nearly double that. It would become a true rogue planet, a frozen, silent tombstone, doomed to wander the darkness between the stars for all eternity. This is the true nature of our motion. A delicate, high-speed ballet we are completely unaware of. And this is only the beginning of the journey. But this journey is not ours alone. Our entire solar system is a passenger on a far grander voyage. It is strapped to a vast celestial carousel. Right now, the Sun and all its planets, including us, are orbiting the supermassive black hole at the heart of the Milky Way galaxy. Our speed on this galactic orbit is 220 kilometers per second. It takes our Sun roughly 230 million years to complete one single orbit. This is our galactic year. The last time we were here, in this exact cosmic neighborhood, there were no humans, there were no cities. The Earth was a different planet, ruled by dinosaurs. This is why true time travel is so maddeningly complex. You would not only need to go back in time, you would need to pinpoint the Earth's new location in a completely different part of the galaxy. Otherwise, you would simply materialize in the frozen, empty vacuum of space. This long galactic journey is not always a peaceful one. As our Sun orbits, it passes through dangerous cosmic neighborhoods. Astronomers believe some of Earth's past extinction events were caused by our solar system passing through the explosive remnants of a supernova or encountering the crushing gravity of a rogue black hole. The galaxy is a beautiful but treacherous place, and yet the motion does not end there. The Milky Way galaxy itself is not standing still. It is a colossal island of stars hurtling through the intergalactic darkness. Our entire galaxy is moving through the universe at 600 kilometers per second, and it is on an inevitable collision course. In about 4 billion years, the Milky Way will collide with our larger neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. It will not be a violent crash of stars, but a slow, majestic gravitational ballet played out over 1 billion years. The two great star cities will pass through each other like ghosts. Their stars will intermingle, to eventually form one colossal new galaxy. Our journey is one of constant, and sometimes violent, transformation. Even our local group of galaxies is on the move. The Milky Way, Andromeda, and our cosmic neighbors are all being pulled toward a mysterious, distant point in space. A region of immense gravity known as the Great Attractor. But it is a destination we are destined never to reach, because the universe itself has other plans. The very fabric of space-time is expanding. This expansion is driven by a mysterious dark energy, a force more powerful than gravity itself. And on the largest scales, it is tearing the cosmos apart. The Great Attractor, and even the supercluster of galaxies we belong to, will eventually be shredded by the unending expansion of space. This expansion is also accelerating. Our greatest telescopes have shown us a shocking truth. At the edge of our observable universe, space is expanding faster than the speed of light. This creates a cosmic horizon we can never peer beyond. Light from galaxies past that point will never reach us. As the acceleration continues, more and more of the universe will vanish from our sight forever. Eventually, our own galaxy could be left as a lonely island in a vast, dark, and eternally empty ocean. This leads us to the two possible fates for everything that has ever existed. One is that the universe expands forever, growing colder, darker, and emptier, until nothing is left but the dying embers of stars in a vast, silent void. This is the big freeze, and not with a bang, but with a slow, silent, and eternal fade to black. But there is another, perhaps more poetic possibility, that one day, the expansion will slow, stop, and then reverse. In this scenario, the big crunch, gravity will finally win its ancient war. The universe will begin to collapse back in on itself. Galaxies will rush towards each other, colliding and merging in a final fiery dance. Matter will become hotter and denser as space itself shrinks, till finally everything that ever was, is, or will be, is crushed back into a single, infinitely dense point perhaps, to be reborn in the fires of a new Big Bang. The death of our universe could be the birth of the next. So here we are, on a spinning planet, orbiting a star, on a carousel in a galaxy, all of it hurtling at impossible speeds through an expanding universe towards an unknown fate. The feeling of stillness is our greatest illusion, and the truth of our motion is the greatest mystery of all.